मैंने अपने लाइंस जो रटे हुए थे, I was like, मुझे ये जाके बोलना है. I don't want to, mess up in front of Amitabh Bachchan ji. But he didn't make me feel like that. He made me feel like even if I mess up, it's fine. He made me feel so comfortable and so like a part of the film. And the ease and the suave and the oomph that Imran gets to the film is very different. So that's what I learned from him. How to keep it easy, how to keep it cool. You learn it from him. He makes everything look so easy. Even when I wanted to leave Balaji when I started TV and I wanted to do a show outside Balaji, she was very supportive. It was not like I launched you so you can't do that. She said go for it. And that time we weren't even friends. So that's the human that she is. She will always support you. She will always want you to do well. Hi, this is Crystal D'Souza and you're watching me on E-Times.
Hi, this is Amina Sheikh, and with me today I have the gorgeous and stunning Crystal D'Souza, who's all set to work in Chehre, along with Imran Hashmi and Amitabh Bachchan, welcoming her on E-Times. Welcome, Crystal, on E-Times, and tell us, how does it feel working on such a big project for you?
Oh my God, I cannot tell you how amazing it feels, Amina. Thank you so much for having me here. It's surreal. It's something out of the box, something I would only wish and dream for.
But also, like, we saw the trailer and it's very enthusiastic. It's very grueling in a way, and it's quite intense. It's quite a different game changer altogether. It's something which we have not seen. So when you were narrated the story, what interested you?
To be honest, I didn't even know who were the actors in the film while I was auditioning for it. And then I had a narration with the director, Rumi Jaffri ji, and he narrated the whole story to me. And trust me, I was at the edge of my seat. I was like, "Fir kya hota hai? Then what happens? Then what happens?" And then when you know that you're already asking these things when it's just being narrated, imagine when this comes to life. It's going to be so cool to be a part of a script like this. And that's all I thought. And I was like, yes, of course I want to be on board. And after that, I only got to know that these are the actors. So I was like, what? So, I feel like the script really matters. And that's what drew me towards doing Chehre.
Also, Crystal, you have had a long journey in terms of, being a part of TV, being a part of web series also for that matter, and now into Bollywood. So how is it a game changer for you completely? Like, is it completely different for you? Or do you take it as okay, theek hai, maine kaam kar liya already, so, I can manage this. How was it for you?
I feel it was very easy breezy for me because honestly, if this was where I started and this was my actual debut in life, I would have not been able to perform in front of such good actors. But because I come with a certain practice and certain experience, it wasn't that difficult. Honestly, if you love the craft and if you're passionate about it, you can do it anywhere. So for me, acting does not matter if I'm doing it on a stage, on a theater play, or in a theater, or in a film, on TV or in OTT. Acting is acting. आपको अपना craft कहाँ पे भी showcase करना है, कैसे matter करता है. So no, it wasn't difficult at all. It was actually pretty easy thanks to the experience that I had over the years.
That's quite nice to hear. But also, working on this project, you're working with Amitabh Bachchan. Do you have scenes with him?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. And how nervous were you? Because sharing screen space with him is a very big thing altogether,
I didn't sleep all night. That's the one day I wanted to look super fresh, but I just, वो होता है ना, नींद ही नहीं आ रही थी. I was not being able to sleep. I just tossed and turned all night. To add to that, my mom wanted to come on set, and my mom never comes on set. More than being pressurized to act in front of Amitabh ji, I think I was more pressurized to act in front of my mother because she was just staring at me like this. So I was like, "Arey yaar." So I feel like I can't say a little nervous. I was just so nervous, and the only thing I didn't want to do was fumble. मैंने अपने lines जो रटे हुए थे, I was like, मुझे ये जाके बोलना है. I don't want to, mess up in front of Amitabh Bachchan ji. But he didn't make me feel like that. He made me feel like even if I mess up, it's fine. He made me feel so comfortable and so like a part of the film, a part of the industry, that I didn't feel like this was my first working with these two amazing gentlemen.
Also, the film actually, had faced some hiccups in terms of releasing and all. Did that bother you personally? Because, it's a film, you're somewhere like, in a way making a debut. So how was that for you? Like, because, the film actually had hiccups in terms of releasing and all. The release date was postponed and finally, like, it's going to come on theaters and all kind of a thing. So how was that for you?
So I think the first time I was supposed to release was in April 2020. And then we had a date. We had everything announced. And then wasn't possible. So that was a little heartbreaking. But at that time, I felt like, you know what? There's so much going on in the world that this little heartbreak of mine is not anything compared to what people are going through in this world. So yes, it was disheartening. I was getting a little anxious. But then when I take a step back and was looking at the bigger picture, I said, but how can you be selfish and just look at what's happening in the world? This is the least of the problems. And then also I didn't want, at that point, I would really feel guilty to tell people to go to a theater and watch my film. Because if there's a pandemic going on, how do you tell people that, risk your life to watch my film? But right now, I feel like it's the perfect time. I did go through a lot of anxiety the second time as well that the film didn't come out. But the third time now, people are vaccinated, people are more safe, people are more aware. The theaters are well prepared now. They are, their safety measures are on point. So now you don't feel guilty telling people, please go to a theater and watch my film, because everything is safe out there. I went to a restaurant last evening and, it was packed and people are out there enjoying life again. People are in a better mindset now. So in a better mindset, everything is more beautiful. So they'll enjoy the film more now than they would have then. So in hindsight, it was the perfect thing that could have happened.
Krystal, since you have become a part of Bollywood now, since you have signed your first project and, it's all up, out there completely in the theaters and all, it's soon going to release. Are you wanting to, move your career to Bollywood only, or would you also prefer like, balancing between, OTT and also doing TV serials also?
Like I said before, acting is my passion. It's something I love doing. The medium does not matter to me. मैं तो इसके बाद stage play bhi kar lu. I'm okay with even doing that. As long as the character is strong, as long as the script is good, मुझे matter नहीं करना चाहिए कि ये कहाँ air होने वाला है. For me, what should matter is how I perform, how good my role is, how good my character is, and how much I can give to the character. तो ऐसे कोई qualms नहीं है कि मैं सिर्फ Bollywood करूंगी या सिर्फ OTT करूंगी या सिर्फ TV करूंगी. Whatever roles come my way, I will obviously read the script, I will read the character, and if I love it, I will go for it.
That's quite nice to hear. So apart from this, like what Krystal is working on, apart from Chairey, like what is keeping, Krystal busy these days?
Honestly, Instagram has so much work to do that you keep shooting something or the other for Instagram. Other than that, yes, there are talks for other film projects and that are lined up, but I can't talk anything about it. But yes, I'm looking to do more films, and there's an OTT show also that I'm looking to do. So there's a lot of work that's going to happen for all of us, I feel. 2021, 2022 as well.
Also, your association with Ekta Kapoor has been for the longest time. Like you guys, like literally share thick, friendship right now. So if you can, spill some beans if you're going to work with her again, and how your experience have been like working under her.
I started my career only because of her. She gave me my break, my first show. My first OTT show was with her. And, now we were just laughing about it, that how we wish that my Bollywood also would have been with her. But nevertheless, we will keep working. I mean, that's like home for me. Alt Balaji is like home for me. Balaji Telefilms just feels so comfortable. It doesn't even feel like work. It feels like, what? I want to do some character. I will tell her that, this character really is appealing. Mujhe karna hai. And it's something that, I'm blessed. In that sense, I'm blessed. She's always supported everything I've done. Even when I wanted to leave Balaji, when I started TV and I wanted to do a show outside Balaji, she was very supportive. It was not like I launched you, so you can't do that. She said, go for it. And that time we weren't even friends. So that's the human that she is. She will always support you. She will always want you to do well. And she's rooting for me. You know, she's putting up my promos. She's putting up my songs on her Instagram. She's
Oh,
doing everything a
that's so
best friend should
sweet.
do. And I'm so happy to have somebody like her in my life who's a constant support to me.
In fact, Crystal, personally, I would like to compliment you because I was in school and I used to watch, Kahe Na Kahe Hum and Kya Dil Mein Hai, and I really loved your performance. And I used to think like, oh my God, this is so sweet that that kind of equation you had with Kanan. I mean, of course, the character's name was Kanan actually, and the way you have come through this, it's quite good to see like oh really I'm interviewing her. I was like that. So this is a personal compliment from my end to you.
How
I
sweet.
really
That's
look
so
forward to
nice.
your work. But Crystal, when you get into the character, somewhere do you feel that the character takes a lot of time, to be in that character, and it takes a different personality altogether to play that character? What are your thoughts on that?
100%. I don't think Crystal is like any of the characters that I've played till date. There may be some streaks of my personality in it, but I'm far from all these characters that you play. So it takes time to get into the skin of the character. That's why we have preps, we have rehearsals. And I feel like when I'm playing a character, this is what I do, I don't meet my friends and family as much because I want to be in the skin of that character. So if that character is a gray shade, I don't want to be doing that to my friends and family. So I keep to myself. I try keeping and being in the character as much as I can. That's why daily soaps are a little difficult क्योंकि 2-2 साल आप नहीं निकाल सकते किसी और character में. But for an OTT show or for a film, it's getting over in 40 days, in 15 days. You have your days ready. So you are okay to be in that character for so many days. So yes, I don't get out of the character. Even when I come back home, I'm usually just talking like the character I'm playing, or I'm dressing like her, just to keep continuing being in the skin, so that suddenly when you go on set, ऐसा नहीं लगता ना कि why am I dressed so glam or why am I dressed so poor? Because that's the character that you're playing, and you have to keep you'll be more comfortable in your skin if you continue doing that after your shoot as well. That's what I feel. I mean, I know a lot of actors who can switch on, switch off. For me, I feel like I get into it.
Also, Crystal, like during this lockdown, what changes have you noticed in yourself?
In this lockdown, I feel like, I realized how self-sufficient we all are and how little we need to survive. Isse pehle, so I don't know a week that had gone past without me shopping for like some bags, some shoes, some clothes. But in the pandemic, I realized when there was nothing open, there was no deliveries in the beginning and all of that. I realized I don't need anything. And even if I buy it, where will I go? So you realize you need so little in life, and you are so self-sufficient क्योंकि खुद झाड़ू पोछा, खुद I live all alone, so खुद खाना बनाना, खुद कपड़े सुखाना, everything I did on my own. And I realized we are all so self-sufficient, and if we just invest a little time in ourselves, we can actually do everything by ourselves. We don't need another person. We just love the company of other people.
That's quite nice, in fact. But also, Crystal, talking about your personal life, you have been quite private about it. But of course, it has come in media. So would you prefer working with your exes? Like, if you had an ex, of course, would you like to prefer working with them? Would you let go of, whatever, hard feelings you had for them? Would you work with them?
Like I said, medium does not matter, human does not matter, person, actor does not matter. For me, script matters. And if the script is good enough, I will work with anyone. Because I care about my character, I care about the film, I care about the show. And, I feel like that is what should matter to an actor, their craft, nothing else. Baki sab, matlab, kaun hai show mein, kaun kar raha hai, who's directing, all that does not matter. What matters is you should be convinced with the character you're playing. So I am okay working with anyone.
That's quite nice to hear, actually, that you're completely comfortable in that zone, and you just believe in your acting. And there are many people who don't do that. They they don't let go of the grudges what they have. But you seem to be quite different when it comes to this. Crystal, what are your upcoming projects you're working on? If you can spill some beans on that.
Upcoming projects that I'm working on, there is a film in talks that I really can't speak about, but it's huge, and I can't wait to jump on that set. Also, there is an OTT show that I'm working on, so that should be sometime next year. So I have a few projects lined up when it comes to acting. Of course, Instagram and your ads and all of that keep going on. But other than that, for acting, I have a film that I'll hopefully be doing and a OTT show that I'll hopefully be doing.
Which director is your personal favorite, Crystal? Who you would like to work with?
Personal favorite director has to be Imtiaz. I feel he is so good, and he can get performance out. He knows how to hit the right emotional chord. So I think Imtiaz.
And what did you learn while working on Chehre with Imran Hashmi and Amitabh Bachchan?
I learned that hard work and dedication can go a long way. Looking at Amitabh Bachchan ji being so dedicated, even after being such a legend, not even a star, a legend. He's so dedicated. He's so hardworking. He does not leave the set. He sits on set, the entire day. Like, I know me as an actor also used to go to the van after every 2-3 scenes. You're just like, "Arey, main van mein jaake baith jati hu AC mein." He did not care. He sat on set. So, that kind of dedication, that kind of hard work is something I took from that. And the ease and the suave and the, oomph that Imran gets to the film is very different. So that's what I learned from him. How to keep it easy, how to keep it cool. You learn it from him. He makes everything look so easy.
Do you have any scenes with Rhea Chakraborty also in the film?
Yes, I do have a scene with her. It's a collective scene with the entire cast.
And one message for your fans out there for Chehre.
One message for Chehre would be, guys, if the theaters near you are open, please go watch my film Chehre on the 27th of August in a theater near you. This film is made for a theatrical experience. Please don't miss it. You have Amitabh Bachchan ji, you have Imran Hashmi, you have a stellar cast, and you have me. So please go watch it.
That's quite nice too. And before I let you go, of course, this is a very, critical question, but I have to ask you, a lot of actors and actresses have come, forward in terms of, helping the people in Afghanistan, what people are going through. And a lot of women, for that matter, are going through a tough time. What are your thoughts on that? Because, it's quite, vindictive of them, the way they're treating the women out there.
It's true, I don't know what's happening in the world. You sometimes feel like, oh, we've become so forward. We've reached 2021. Look at the way the world is going. And then suddenly when you see all of this, you just feel like, no, you're feeling that because you're living in a country that's letting you live this way. My heart goes out to all the women, all the children. They're so helpless. I saw these visuals of the plane where people just hung on to a plane to get out of there because they thought that's their only way out. And, people falling from a plane because they're hanging on. My heart really breaks seeing this. And, being a little selfish, I try not to see and read all these kind of news because this year and these 2 years have anyway been very draining for somebody that lives alone because of anxiety, depression. You go through all of these things because you live alone and there's so much happening in the world that, I try to keep away from it. But as much as I want to, my heart goes out for these women. I don't, and you feel helpless yourself. Not like I can sit here, I can say my heart goes out for them, but I can't do anything about it. And other than going on social media and standing up for them, what can you do? You can't do anything. You can only use your voice. And I feel like if the world uses their voice together, this will be, a collective. Maybe we can help them in some way, even with our voice. Like, use whatever you can, whatever medium you can to support them.
Thank you so much, Crystal, for your time, and all the best for Chehre. And I really hope the message what you have, shared, people understand the, the detail of it, and, really, think about it, and, let go of such things, and, stop harming each other. Thank you so much, Crystal, though, for your time.
Thank you.
And all the best for your project.